Okay guys, we will continue our tutorial. The last video we discussed about some options of the post, how to post, and we see some couple options here. The last option we see is the cover. Now we will move to see the option of the file. We delete this one. To delete, you have to click on that and you get this option and then remove block. We'll add a new block file here. If you want to put a file here and will be available for download for your users, so we click here. Let's say that we want this photo to be downloaded, so we will get this title here and you will get the download button. Also, if you want to share this with some other people in some forums or in Facebook, you can copy just this link and it will get you the download link or the image location. And that's it for this block. We add another block, so cover, file, code, page break. Okay, let's see the page break. So let's add a paragraph here, copy some text, add another one or duplicate this one, let's say here page 1 and here page 2. Between these pages we will put the page break. We add a page break. What is this? It's a little bit confusing sometimes when you want to add a new block, especially like this one. We come here, we click here, page break, and it gives you a break between this one and this one. What will that do is will separate each page like a new page. You have just one post, but when we publish that, we will see that we have two pages. That's good for splitting the content if you want to make the page more quicker, so the loading will be more quicker. As you see here, when we click here we get the first page, when we click here we get the second page. Also, it's good for the people that are doing AdSense. It will give more impressions, so the ads will be shown here, and when the client click here it will take him to another page where the ads will be reloaded again. So this is for the page breaker, and you can do as many pages as you like. There is no limitation. So here remove, we add another block, cover, code, page break, image. See the image. If you want to add an image, we have just to click on image and we bring image like that, and we have some option that controls this image. You want to align it, depends on the text that is surrounded. If you want to add a caption here like that, see that Wordpress local like that. Okay, this is for this option. Also in some other next videos we will cover video, audio, headline, widgets also. We'll see some widgets, and we will see some embeds, how to embed Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel, and some other stuff. Also, in this video we'll talk a little bit about categories. So here we will control all the categories on our website. As you see here, I have 2, and they can create more. Let's say news, games, and this is a slug. It's just a name that will show up in URL here. The games, it's good for SEO also. Let's say category for games, and we add category. The category was added here. This is it. If we want a subcategory, so we will do let's say PC games. Want to be a subcategory, we select this one. It's a subcategory for games. Add. As you see, you get this format when it is a subcategory for a special category. Okay, and you can also here add as many categories as you like, and also you can edit them, you can delete them, you can view everything here, and you get here the description of this category, the slide, how many items it has. But this one, it has just 1 item. And whenever you create an article, and you have to assign this article to one of these categories, if you didn't, it will automatically be under this categorized category. Okay, let's say that we want to change this name, games 2009, updates, categories, and as you see here, it's updated. If we want to delete some, we have just to click with the message. If you want to delete this one, and then you see OK, and done, it's deleted. This is for categories. Also, you have a search box here if you want to, if you have a lot of categories and you want to easily find the category that you want, you have just to take it here. Also, if you want to delete many categories at the same time, you have just to select them and then come here and you delete it, and you click on apply. I think that's it for the category. We go to tags. Tags, okay, tags, what is the tags? The tags, it's what makes the article to give a sign for search engine to know what the article is about. Or when we create a new article here, like that, we come here, and we come to tags. This is the tags. So if you already prepare tags, you have just to start typing the beginning of the name, and you get the tag. Let's go here. Let's click here. So we have a tag with WordPress. Like here, we have new tags. We have we can add another one here. Another tag, another tag, another tag. Review. So when we come to the article here, we have to refresh this article with the latest updates. So here tags, just we have to start typing and we get the tag as you see here. So this block, it's just for this. You can when you do the search for keywords, you have to prepare all your keywords, you put it down here, and if whenever you add a new article, it's easy for you to remember the tags, and you have just to take the beginning and you get the full tag. So that's it for this video. See you in another video.